we're not gonna go looking for the knockout. We're gonna stick to the strategy. If it happens in the first 3 rounds, then I guess that's the way it's gonna be. We're prepared to go 12. We got more than one strategy. Like I tell everybody, you can study a fighter. You can go look up on YouTube videos and figure out what the fighter's doing, but you got to have that fighter to be able to do it. People look at Mayweather and everybody knows how to beat him, but they just can't do it. Thank you, Deportes Telemundo. Don't miss my fight. Tune in.